Hello everyone, it's Quoia Renae and I'm back with another hair tutorial for you all. So I just did me a full sew-in. This is a closure sew-in. The hair of course is from Kendra. You know me and Kendra beefing right now, but it's from Kendra, y'all. And the closure is actually from Ellie Pearl. Remind me not to ever get no Ellie Pearl closure either. It was way too shiny and way too thick. But anyways, I'm just going to start to section off my hair for you all. I'm going to be doing a bang tutorial today. So I've already sectioned off my hair. When you're sectioning off your hair for a bang, I like to create a triangle shape. That way I won't have too much hair left out, and that usually kind of gives me what to leave out for the bang. After that, I'm taking my Silver Bird blow dryer and I'm just blow drying my hair. You all know, if you are subscribed to my channel, you know that I love the Silver Bird blow dryer. I always go on with this blow dryer before I flat iron my hair, just simply so that it could pre-straighten my hair, so I won't have to go in with too many passes once I do use my flat iron. The flat iron I'm going to be using today is my Babyliss Prima. But before I do that, I'm going to go in with my Caracal wax stick and my hot comb just to make sure that I flatten the closure as much as possible. I'm going to go back in with it later on in this video, but I'm just flattening it out right now so that I can kind of get an idea of how I want my hair to lay. And then after that, we're going to get started flat ironing. And you all know I always use the Paw Mitchell Skinny Serum. It's my favorite serum. It's very lightweight. It's makes your hair flowy, shiny, and silked out. I always go in with this serum. I love it. It's a little bit pricey, but it's worth it. And all you need is just 1 or 2 pumps and you'll be good to go. Alright, so now it's on to the bang. I'm always kind of nervous when I'm cutting my bang because I never know like how it's going to turn out. But I usually just take my time. When you're cutting your bangs, especially if you're new at cutting your bangs, the best thing to do is take your time, honey, and start cutting it long. Cut your bang long and then you just gradually cut up, because you rather it be too long than be too short, because you can cut more but you can't add more hair. So you rather cut your bang long at first and then just cut it as you go, just to make sure you know you have it the length that you would like it. So what I'm going to do first before I cut my bang is I'm just going to flat iron it, just so I can make sure that I get an accurate cut. So I'm going to go in with my flat iron and then I'm just going to clamp the rest of the hair back, and then I'm going to flat iron that part as well. Another thing that I forgot to mention in this video, before you put your closure on, make sure you pluck it. Even though it's going to be a bang, make sure you pluck it, because like I said, some closures can come too thick, and this one from Ellie Pearl was a little thick, and all of them kind of come thick for the most part. So definitely make sure you pluck it if you don't want a really full bang. I don't really personally like full bangs, but pluck it to your liking. If you like full bangs, you don't have to pluck it at all. But I like for mine to be on the thinner side. I don't like big, thick Nicki Minaj heavy bangs. I like mine thinner and prettier. I feel like it flows better, it looks better, it fits me. I don't like heavy hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist my hair, twist the bang part. My nails they're not dirty, y'all. I promise they're not dirty. I actually dyed my hair. This was the red hair that you seen in the previous video. This is that hair. It's dyed black. But I just twisted the bang, and then I'm going to go in with my scissors and I'm just going to cut. Like I said before, make sure you cut low. Do not cut high. Even if your bang is still too long for your likings, you rather cut low just so you can get an idea of how far up you need to go. And you all are going to actually see me go in and do a lot of cutting in and looking at it and cutting in just to see how I want my bang, because like I said, I do not like really short bangs and I do not like really heavy bangs. So I'm doing that pointer cut with the scissors. I'm not cutting straight across because I want my bang to be choppy. I don't like straight across bangs either. I like for my bangs to be choppy. It just works for me, and I hope you all try this method out and it works for you. And the reason that I'm twisting the hair, I'm just doing one twist of the hair because I want my hair to do that fringe cut. Like as you all just seen just now when I let the bang go, it kind of is like longer on the ends part of the bang, and then it's shorter towards the middle. That's the reason why I'm twisting it. I want the bang to create that sort of U shape so that once I bump it, it can just fall like, you know, beautifully. So that's why I'm doing that. Of course, like I said, do your own method, but this is how I cut my bang. I like for it to be choppy. I like the French choppy bangs. I do not like all that other extra stuff. So do what works for you all. So here is where I'm just sectioning off my bang so that I can begin to bump it. I'm actually going to go back in with my scissors and do some additional cutting, because whenever you bump your hair or straighten it or whatever, when you're cutting it, you always see some additional cutting that you need to do. So I'm going to do a little bit more cutting, and then I'm going to go in with my flat iron, and then I'm going to do a little bit more cutting after that. Also, ladies, make sure that you don't cut your eyeball out while you're doing this method, man, because I swear I thought I was gonna cut my eyeball out. But make sure you have a brush next to you just so you can brush off any excess hair that falls on your face. I definitely should have been doing this method, just lifting it, but I like for it to fall back on my face and cut it like that because I can actually see how far I'm cutting it up. So make sure you be careful with your scissors, honey. So shortly after this video, I actually went in and I plucked my bang some more. Like I told you all in the beginning, make sure that you pluck your bang if you like for it to be on a thinner side, because this was just slightly a little bit too thick for me. I still love the way it came out, but I felt like it was just a little bit thick for my liking. So I did go in and I did pluck some of the hair out. So you can do that method after you've done your bang, or you can choose to pluck it before you install the closure. And then here I'm just going back in with my hot comb just to make sure that everything is flat, and just to get rid of some of those flyaways. You all know I always go in with my Care High Sheen Glossifier just so I can make sure some of those flyaways lay down. I went in with my brush, and this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Do not forget to follow your girl on Instagram at Quoia_Renae. Do not pay attention to my background. I don't know how I got that in the camera, but I love you all so much. Watch another video after this video. Don't click and go to nobody else's channel. Stay on my channel, sis. And subscribe, thumbs up this video, leave me a comment of what else you all would like to see on my channel, and I will see you all next time.